Candidates, this is the material I have given you. In this, this one contains the banking related question. Banking related question, there are about 350, 360 questions. You don't, if you have time, you can go through that also. Then, what I have done for you is that one, I have introduced recently one material. What is bank? I think I gave you that separate link for you. Na? What is bank? With answers. This is most common interview questions. These are for the say HR questions. These are HR questions. Then Stand Up India, banking abbreviation, green GDP, static GK. Then 2000. In even in static GK, there is one latest material I have introduced yesterday. Download static GK. Yeah. I am adding that new one. I am removing this old one. Yeah. New static GK has come. This new static GK will tell you about various things, but even after making this, there can be some changes. Here, what is important from your interview angle is list of chief ministers, governors, new cabinet ministers, then list of national parks in your state, list of tiger reserves in your state, then apart from that, say banks headquarters and taglines, then um, invariably they are fond of asking five prime ministers of our country, five vice presidents of our country, five reserve bank governors. Like that, they will ask some question which we cannot expect. Then five chief ministers of your state. So that also you should go through. Okay. So now what you can be guided is there is one material. This is the one. This is quarter two. This is not required now. I am deleting it. Then chief ministers, it is given. Maybe it requires updation. Please check it up. This is union ministers given. Then uh, there will be one material A 2023. I always put it like that so that it will stand first and we can see it. A 2023 Federal Bank interview questions. This is the very important material. This is that material. It must be there in your material. And I would have given a link also for you. Here it tells about the chairman and board of directors of Federal Bank. Then it tells about some extra information I got, so I posted here about that form 15G, 15H. I will remove it afterwards. Then this is about Karnataka Bank, not required for you. IDBI Bank, not required for you. This is about Federal Bank quarter three results. You must go through this thoroughly. Then about Federal Bank, I have given. And before that, Reserve Bank details. About Federal Bank details, I have given. Please read. About the rates, I have given. Please read. Then these are some of the important points I thought I can tell you. And I have given you sure short question. Any interview you go, you will have this question. What do you know about Federal Bank? Why you want to join Federal Bank? What is the difference between Canara Bank and Federal Bank? Then what are the products of Federal Bank? What are the awards received by Federal Bank? What are the CSR activities of Federal Bank? Everything answer is there in the website. I have not given you the answer ready made because it is there in the website. You can go and read it. What is the tagline? It is all given in the website. Vision and mission. About 1 year back and all, they were asking this question. What is the core values? Cares, commitment to excellence, agility, resilience, like that. But now they are not asking. Latest news about Federal Bank, like that's what Srinivas was telling about what are the recent savings bank products, about what are the recent things introduced by them, Smile Pay, then Flash Pay, and all that. Then financial figures I have given. Then five current affairs news relating to your state or neighboring states or banking and economy. Every day, I have made you a member of N2 group. In that group, I will be posting every day banking updates, banking frontline updates. That is nothing but current affairs. You should go through that. Apart from that, I will be giving you Hindu, Express, Financial Express, Economic Times, like that. You should read any one normal newspaper and any one business newspaper, at least the headlines, and know about it. Also, periodically go through the website of Federal Bank. What are the new things they have added and get to know the details. So these are the points. So I will stop with this because I have a one commitment with another candidate for interview. This is how you have to go about those who have joined now. This is just this thing. So this here in this only it contains 400 pages up to at least 1 to 40 pages. You go through what are the questions they have asked, how to answer them. If you don't know, I suggest Varshini and Priyadarshini, you can make a group. Kalpesh and Naresh, you can make a group. Discuss among yourselves. That is how you have to improve. Imagine that your interview is going to be day after tomorrow. Accordingly, you should prepare. The basic problem I have seen in my candidates is that they all join my group, they collect the material, they put it underneath their bed, then they don't read it till they are informed about the date. Such a thing cannot help us. Please prepare seriously. I know your studies are important. I know your project is important. Along with that, at least allot half an hour, 1 hour per day. Get to know some important points and feel that you are remembering it. If possible, if necessary, revise them after 1 week or so, so that that stays in your mind. For example, this Vivek Joshi, I saw that name only on second or third, but still I am not remembering. I can afford to forget. You should not forget. This is what it is. I have given you a fair idea of how to prepare. So please start reading vigorously. Sri Varshini, any question?
No, sir.
Priyadarshini, any question?
No, sir.
Priyadarshini, initially when you sent a message, I was slightly angry over you because I have given you all the materials 1 day back, and now you are asking, sir, what to study, how to
No, sir.
study.
I was little bit anxious about the interview. What if
Eh,
they announced it very early? So
no,
because I
that
thought
No, no, it
The
will take 1 week. It will take 1 week. Imagine it is going to be day after tomorrow, read.
Okay, sir.
But nowadays, I cannot predict. See, in the case of Vellore Institute of Technology, they took
Mm.
nearly 20 days for arranging for the interview. And
Okay,
after
sir.
interview is over, now 20 days are over. Still result has not come. Like that,
Okay.
it
Now only
feels.
they have asked me for document submission, sir.
Now after that, 3 days it will go. And after
Okay.
3 days, normally after those 3 days, next fifth or sixth day, you will have interview.
Okay, sir.
Be ready, prepare for that. பிரியதர்ஷினி உன்னை பொறுத்தவரையில என்ன சாரி என்ன அட்வான்டேஜ்னா யூ ஆர் கோயிங் ஃபார் கிளரிக்கல் ஜாப் ஒன்லி. ஸோ
Okay, sir.
அந்த கிளரிக்கல் ஜாப் உடைய ஜாப் ரோல் வந்து
Mm.
ஐ ஹவ் given it in that material itself. ஜாப் ரோல் ஆஃப் ப்ரொபேஷனரி ஆஃபீஸர் அப்படியே பார்த்தியானா உனக்கு தெரியும். அதுல ஜாப் ரோல் ஆஃப் சிஎஸ்ஏ ஆர் கிளர்க், ஜாப் ரோல் ஆஃப் கிளர்க்
Okay, sir.
இந்த போட்டிருக்குது பாரு. இதுல
Mm.
இது வேற ஒண்ணு கிடைக்குது போல இருக்கு. இது
Mm.
என்கிட்ட இது வேற. இது வந்து எல்லா பேங்க்குக்கும் உன்னோட இன்னொன்னு இருக்கும் அங்க. அதை பார்த்துக்கோ, அதை பார்த்து படிச்சுக்கோ. இதை படிச்சேன்னா உனக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆயிடும்.
Okay, sir.
கொடுக்கறத பத்தி இல்ல, இது எக்கச்சக்கமா இருக்குது. இது மேனேஜர்
Mm.
யாரு எல்லாமோ போட்டிருக்காங்க. இதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லை. ஓகே.
Okay, sir.
இல்லைன்னா ஒரு பேங்க்ல பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற பிரான்ச்சுக்கு போ. அங்க
Mm.
இருக்கிற அங்க இருக்கிற அண்ணாட்ட பேசு. ஹலோ
Mm.
அண்ணா, அண்ணா சௌக்கியமா அண்ணா? எப்படி நான் இந்த இன்டர்வியூ போனோம், பேங்க் ரோல்னா இது என்ன ஜாப் ரோல் அப்படின்னு அண்ணாவை கேளு, இல்ல அக்காவை கேளு. டக்க டக்க டக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
Okay, sir. கேக்குறேன், sir.
தேங்க்யூ, பபாய்.